Hey everyone, how you guys are doing? So I think you are doing well. So as I told earlier that two concept I'll discuss about RIMS, that is fold publishing feature and also archival feature. So today mostly I'm discussing about fold publishing feature, right? And overview of the publishing and submission publishing feature and how we working with submission publishing. So at the very beginning, rim submission publishing overview. So submission publishing, which is offer a complete process to handle content planning. So the content planning, content is nothing but a document and the required details which is need to be submit to the health authority, and publishing and finalization for health authority submission. It include pre-configured action for streamlined process. User can create change collection within submission archive and seek approval for update to marketed product. So in one word I can say that rim submission publishing, um, which is a feature to publish the content plan to the health authority, right? And where we can store the content, we can store the content under content plan, and that content plan will publishing through submission, right? So submission publishing feature. So there are four and five feature we have in submission. One is link publishing, another is continuous publishing, continuous validation, publishing status indicator, document and object lifecycle user action. So we'll know each concept in detail, but in beginning, I can say that uh, so similar to submission archive, rim submission publishing is also a vault based and sharing feature from other vault help topic. It offers specialized capability to manage publishing submission, advancing document through review and approval. So we'll discuss more on this in next slide. So link publishing, what is link publishing? So when people use submission publishing, they can make link between different document in fold or while creating a content. When they publish the content, submission publishing change this link to normal link that work in PDF, right? So when you work in publishing, then you can refer another document in a as a reference through link, and a PDF link is automatically generated, and it's a very good feature of submission publishing. And the continuous publishing, we have this feature as well, and this feature allows user to keep publishing document as they become part of a content plan, and as other related content or characteristics are changed or updated. So continuous publishing. So also when you work with rim publishing feature, then enable continuous publishing feature also there in submission section. So under submission record, there are one section called enable continuous publishing feature. So that feature if you enable, then in backend the publishing is still going on, and validation also check based on the dossier format, and once done, that will complete. So that will no needed a manual check currently, right? So this is one of the good feature of submission publishing. And then is continuous validation, as I discussed just now. um, Continuous validation, when users are putting together and publishing a submission in Volt, submission publishing lets them check if the acidity submission meet the validation criteria set by the health authority or not, and this give them feedback about whether the submission follows the rules. And this checking happens regularly, so user can see any error or warning, if any error need to be fixed or not, right? So this is a good concept which is part of publishing feature. And publishing status indicator, and that sign or symbol you can see under submission record. green, half orange, and orange. That mean that circle, and the symbol is like a circle. So this symbol basically giving you the indicate that your content is published or not, or is in progress or not, right? So this is a kind of a status. So a status I can tell users, right, if they are any publishing or validation test still pending or not, any error or not, right? So this is also a good feature, and this helps user to know that they should only review and submit content after it has been both published or check the validation, right? Now, so document and object lifecycle user action. So this feature also a good feature. Submission publishing cover the action that user take when working with the lifecycle of submission archive document, as well as the lifecycle of content plan and content plan item. So in content plan and content plan item, from the action menu you can change the state from draft to baseline, baseline to log, or complete, right? So the status also can be changed from the user action, and also uh, if you want to inactivate some content plan item, that also can be done from the user action, right? This is a very good feature, and this is a, you can say, as mandatory and compulsory feature of Volt, and this action help with the steps needed to review and approve the document that are publishing using submission content plan, right? So how you can work with the submission publishing. So basically the submission publishing application, which needed for prepare and finalize and submit the content for, let's say, a product change or any existing product change or any product update, right, within Volt in preparation. For that reason we need some kind of document to prepare and finalize. So Volt in preparation for submitting content to the health authority, whom to send, health authority to send, right? So content plan allow us, right, allow user to create a collection of documents. So content plan is nothing but is a collection of document, and when introducing a new product or when change occur on an existing product, right, then user can submit this document to request approval to make changes to the product. And now a gateway feature is enabled with Volt. So just in a few in a moment, just in a moment, that submission can be sent to the health authority, right, and getting the acknowledgement and attachment as well. And there are also one feature called submission archive viewer. From that viewer section also the published document can be visible, right? So this is overall I covered most of the details, and also how submission publishing work. So prepare content, content plan, and then initiate publishing, then document release, review, internal approval, validate, and correct. So this is that the process. This is the step by step process. Is depend on the configuration and depend on the business requirement. Mostly business case will be similar. So this is the process we'll follow when anyone users will working with submission publishing, right? As I told that basically for new product changes or creation or updation, a content plan with relevant document, that time only that submission publishing come into the picture. And after preparation, Volt continuous publishing and validation begin. New and updated document in published state are published, and user review in archive viewer to send for the final review. And this product track the content change, update, published output, validate document, and offer a correction before final review. So these are the step-by-step process. Prepare content, and yes, before the prepare content, submission record also we need to be created, and from the submission record content plan need to be created. Um and you need to be choose the template and the kind of dossier format. Is it ECDT or non-ECDT, that also need to be selected, right? So prepare content, content plan, initiate publishing, document release, review, and this all are part of the publishing plan, right? So yeah, that's all from my end, and hopefully I'll launch a new video soon related to submission archive. Bye bye, see you soon.